May isang kakaibang guro na kinagigiliwan ng maraming estudyante sa Miriam College. Tara at puntahan natin siya at alamin kung bakit aliw na aliw ang mga estudyante sa kanya. Ito si Mr. Jose Leonidas, isang sociology teacher.
You stay. You don't want to go.
At isang part-time magician. 21 taon nang nagtuturo si Ginoong Leonidas sa Miriam College. Nagtapos siya ng Sociology sa Asian Social Institute sa Taft Avenue. Ano ang rason kung bakit pinili niya ang kursong Sociology?
Well, actually, given the signs of the times on those days, on which we were under the dictatorship of Ferdinand Marcos, I think the main motivation for me is to understand society. So I think taking up sociology as my master's degree subject, I felt it was relevant in my discernment. Second, I am a graduate of social work. It's very much social in it. That's why I took up I took up social work, then I took up sociology in the realm of the social science, what you call social behavior.
Nalaman na natin kung bakit siya naging isang sociologist. Alamin naman natin kung paano siya naging magician.
Nung bata pa ako, gusto ko na yung magic. No, it was, I'm a late starter. I became a member of a magic club when I first attended a magic club's meeting in 2003. So in 2003, and this is my 11th year, I'm into magic, in which I am now performing on huge crowds.
Na-feature na si Mr. Leonidas sa ilang magazines. Nag-guest din siya sa ilang news programs.
Tong Bantay Bata, I think 143. 163. 140, I love you pala yun. Only 163. I was invited to perform, and we performed somewhere at Kalawan, Laguna. Okay, sa bayan ni Juan. Doon ako nag-perform ng magic. This is a charity show.
Bilang isang guro at magician, naisip parating ni Ginoong Leonidas sa kanya mga estudyante na ang pagmamagic ay isang paraan para magpahinga muna sa stress ng buhay. Ika nga niya,
magic is a break from the humdrums of life. It's a break from a particular routine.
Para kay Ginoong Leonidas, ang pagmamagic ay kanyang paraan para mapasaya ang mga tao. At ito rin ang kanyang kontribusyon para mapabuti ang lipunan.
Just to paraphrase it. Kung walang entertainment ang buhay, the whole thing is a mistake.
Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me.